says the ASSA V-10 Mogul cylinder. This has barrels, so you don't have to float it. And these V-10 side pins don't need floated either, like the 6000 and exclusive do. So I'm just going to use medium tension and look for binder. These barrels are tapered also, so it's going to be a bit of back and forth. 3 up a little bit. 5, 6. 5 needs to go some more. 2, 3. 5 wasn't ready to go yet, so I'm just going to move on. Two's good, 4's good, 6 good. I think 5 needs to go more, but because it's bidding, I'm going to have to switch to a deeper hook, I think, so I don't overset something. 5 is binding, there it goes. It's still binding, so I release some tension. All right, let me check 3. Might have to come back to 5. Three feels good. 1's good. Now 5's binding nice and solid. Still binding. Still binding. There we go. 3 came down. A little bit of plug movement there, but 3's still in the milling. Still binding. Another click out of it. Still binding. There we go. Now 3 is set. Two feels good. 1 feels good. Let me go to these side pins. So on the V-10, I just like to scrub them to test the side pins. You can't really do that with the 6000 or the exclusive, but I think it works pretty well on this lock. So 2 is binding. Now it's loose. 1's loose. 3 is binding. Now it's loose. 4 is binding. Now it's loose. 5 is fairly binding. Back to the beginning. 1 is binding. A little bit of plug movement there. 1's loose. 2's loose. 3 is binding hard. So release a little bit of tension. Something might have dropped. 5 is binding. A little bit of plug movement. 5 still binding. Binding hard. Release some tension. Got a little bit of plug movement there when 5 clicked up. 5 is really high, and there's a little nub of warding right here. And that's why I have to use this small flag. It's a number 10 flag, but I don't think I can get the lift that I need out of 5 by using this flag. So I'm gonna have to go on top of that nub and try to finish 5 off. So I gotta find it. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5. Release some tension. Really binding tight. There we go. And to release quite a bit of tension to get that. Afraid I was going to drop something. So that little notch right there, I had to pick off of that to get the driver pins. That's why I had to switch hooks, because of that high-low bitting. And then go under that to get the side pins, but then to get 5 with it being such a high lift, I had to go on top of that nub right there. So let's get this gutted. Without dropping anything. It's hard to get your finger on that side pin with that face plate in the way. Or on that sidebar. I don't know what I said there, side pin. Why that's not focusing. So there is the sidebar. And the 2 springs. See that gate on number 5 way up there at the top. Key pins. That thing out of the way. Side pins, none of these are mastered. So there's that notch there. I had to go underneath of that, and then I had to go on top like that to get 5 in the back. Also had to pick off of that. I probably could have used a real thin pick and gone from the bottom of the keyway, but it's scraping the side, and with all that warding there on the side, just kill your feedback. But there's the milling. This is a fairly new lock too, so it grabs really hard. Yeah, those barrels are pretty effective. Giant cylinder, so here to compare size of this is a rim cylinder, but it's the same size as a mortise, quite a bit bigger. One of these Moguls for a long time. I ordered one a long time ago, and mailman decided to keep it, so I never saw it. So glad to finally have one. But yeah, because of that bitting, that's why I had to switch hooks, because of also having to pick on top of that warding there. All right, that is the V-10 Mogul. The only thing different about this is the actual size of the cylinder. It's same as a ASSA V-10.